How to hide post on Reddit. Are you guys facing issues to hide post on Reddit application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit app on your mobile device. If you don't know how to download Reddit on your mobile device, then make sure to check out a guide on how to do it. After you open up the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. Once you get logged in, now select the post that you want to hide. Now look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see the three dot or menu icon. Tap on it. You will be provided with multiple options. Select the last option, hide. Tap on it. So as soon as you tap on hide, your post will be instantly hide from your feed. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna hide posts from Reddit application. If you guys have any issues regarding Reddit application, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.